So the door handle is broken. This part, this small plastic part, this is supposed to pull this metal. This part is supposed to pull that metal. It's supposed to pull it up this way for the door to, for the hook to open the door. Supposed to pull it this way. This is a Siemens washing machine. It needs a lot of force. So when it's broken, you can either replace this part, this handle, or you make it. Making it, it needs some reinforcement because it needs a lot of force to open the door. So I use a wire, then I'll put some super glue with then do some reinforcement here. It's supposed to be very strong. If you use super glue only, it will break also. This is on I told you this is a Siemens washing machine. This one. Siemens brand. So when the door can't open, the main problem is that when you can't open the door, the main problem is this small plastic is broken. So we need to fix it. So I'm in the someone tried to fix it, but it broke also. So I'm in the process of fixing it. I need to reinforce it. Wires, you can reinforce it with wires, or you can replace this part if it's available in your country. In our country it's very rare. So that's the proper way of fixing it. You reinforce it. Just don't put super glue and leave it that way, it will break. So I have super glue, I have some sand, so I'm in the process of fixing it. After finishing the process, I'll upload a video on how it will look then. So it has this one. It's very hard. It needs a lot of force. You can see needs a lot of force to pull it. I wish it was made metallic. Metallic will do better than plastic. Plastic breaks with all this force. Plastic breaks with the time. So you know, some of you have encountered such a problem where you can't open the door won't open. You pull the handle, the door won't open. It means this plastic part of it is broken. Oh, it's okay. So thank you for watching.